Back at it again, Perfect Pressure LLC with another commercial McDonald's. In these particular McDonald's, we like to do the front, the small little parking in the front and the sides, and we went ahead and do the drive-through as well. This is the first time we're doing this McDonald's, so it's heavily greased up pretty nice. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start off like we always start off with the pre-treat. So we're gonna hit it with this is a mild solution here, a pre-treat, because although it is a lot of steps, a lot of people that walk inside, is not as bad as the drive-through where grease is built up. So we hit it with a mild solution. Now we're gonna hit it with the surface cleaner. And everything we do at these commercial properties, we do use hot water. It's just easier for us. And now we went ahead and hit it with the pre-treat, and then we hit it with the surface cleaner. And what we do is rinse everything down. Now we made our way to the other side of the front entrance. And as you can see, the surface cleaner takes off a lot. But a lot of times what I will do is I'll come back and hit it twice, 2-3 times sometimes in different areas. And it all depends on time as well, because with the McDonald's being so busy all the time, these are 24-hour McDonald's here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So customers sometimes get very, very angry. You know, they're very like routined. You know, a lot of times at nighttime, they're very routine. They know how long it's gonna take to get their stuff. They wanna come in and get their stuff and go to work. And here we are, everything is shut down for them. So yes, could get a little frustrating, but here we go. See, it cleans up very, very nice if you use the right solution for the right job and the right strength. The strength is everything. You can use the right solution but not use the right strength and it won't work. Everything has to go in perfect harmony. It has to go with hot water, the strength of the chemical, and how fast you're going. A lot of times I can go faster or slower depending on how bad it is. And here we are. This is the finish, the front finished. The front's all finished up. We like to block everything off so people don't walk on, for 2 reasons. 1, track a bunch of oil, dirt, and grime back on while it's drying, because it would just sit right on there and dry right on there. And 2, for safety reasons. And here we go. We're gonna let the video play. And this is what it looks like when we're all done. We pre-treated, we surface cleaned, we rinsed, and post-treated. If you need any pressure washing services, you can call Perfect Pressure LLC at 702-544-5253. Thank you very much.